If you need more time on an options trade without closing it completely, rolling your position is one of the most useful tools you can learn. In this video, I will show you exactly how to roll an options position using the Interactive Brokers mobile app. We will go through the entire process step by step, so even if you have never rolled an option before, you will know exactly where to find the feature and how to submit the order. Let's get started. First, open the Interactive Brokers app on your phone. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are currently viewing the account that holds the options position you want to roll. This is important because the roll feature only works on positions in the active account. Next, find the option position you want to roll and tap on it. This opens the position details page. At the bottom of the screen, you will see two blue buttons. One says Close Position and the other says Exit Strategy. Beside those is the More button. Tap on More. A menu will appear with additional action for your position. Tap Roll Position. The app will now take you to the option chain. Here is something helpful to know. If your current position is a short option, meaning you originally sold a contract, Interactive Brokers automatically selects the same contract to buy back. That closes your existing position. You can then choose a new option to sell. If your current position is a long option that you originally bought, the app works the opposite way. It automatically prepares to sell your existing contract, and you can choose a new contract to buy. This makes the rolling process much faster because you do not have to build the spread manually. Now you can browse through the available expiration dates. Swipe through the different dates and select the expiration you want. Then choose the strike price you would like to roll into. Take your time here. Your choice of expiration date and strike price will affect your potential profit, risk, and the premium you receive or pay. Once you select your new option, Interactive Brokers will automatically show both sides of the trade. You will see the option you are closing and the option you are opening in a single order. Double check that everything looks correct before moving on. When you are ready, tap the Roll Option button. This takes you to the order entry screen. Here you can choose your pricing. If your roll results in a credit, enter the minimum credit you are willing to receive. If your roll requires paying money, enter the maximum amount you are willing to pay. A good tip is to avoid using aggressive prices unless you need an immediate fill. Starting closer to the midpoint often gives you a better chance of getting a favorable execution while still having a reasonable chance of being filled. After entering your desired price, tap Preview. Review all the order details carefully. Check the contracts, expiration dates, strike prices, estimated credit or debit, and the commission. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent costly mistakes. If everything looks correct, slide to submit your order. Your order has now been sent to the market. Once another trader matches your order, Interactive Brokers will notify you that it has been filled. And that is all there is to rolling an option position on the Interactive Brokers mobile app. Rolling an option does not guarantee a profit or eliminate risk. It is simply a way to adjust an existing position by closing one option and opening another at the same time. Always make sure you understand how the new position changes your overall risk before submitting the order. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more beginner-friendly investing and Interactive Brokers tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.